Marken. Marken used to be a fishing village and belongs to the most charming places in the Netherlands, especially thanks to its characteristic little wooden houses. Because of frequent floods, up until the 17th century, the Dutch used to build their houses on artificially built hills, and then on stakes. You cannot find these houses anywhere else. Today, thanks to the 32-kilometer-long water engineering construction named the Afsluitdijk, which is located approximately only 1 hour from Marken, there are no more floods in the village. It belongs to the most popular tourist attractions in Holland and was built between 1927 and 1933. Marken used to be an island and has become a peninsula thanks to a 1.6-kilometer-long embankment completed in 1957. You can cross it by car, bicycle, or on foot. While walking through Marken, do not miss the Wave, which is a memorial commemorating the terrifying flood which hit the village in 1916. Another must-visit place is the Wooden Shoe Factory, where you can see how wooden clogs were and still are made. You can also buy a pair. Do not miss Paard van Marken Lighthouse, which means Horse of Marken. It was completed in 1839, and it is still operating. Even though you cannot visit the interior, its white tower, red dome, and breathtaking landscape are a dream of every photographer. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.